Hello, Kuya Joanne. Mega mo shout out. Can I get some drive-thru drinks? Okay. Good morning, Hoss. Mega mo shout out. Kumusta po ba kayo, Kuya? Ayan, iced coffee, large. Hello, can just only iced coffee, please? Large.
Vanilla or mocha?
Yes.
Did you want vanilla or mocha iced coffee?
Mocha.
Anything else?
That's all.
Yes, ma'am. We'll see you second window.
Okay, thank you. Have a good day. Diba? Babes, may kami shout out. Ate Babes, kumusta ka na? Andito ako sa drive-thru, Burger King. Tayo mag-aano. Ayan, this is Phil recipe sa ipo. Thank you po ate. Love the kapitbahay USA. Ayan mga kapitbahay. I'm getting drinks. Ayan, teka muna. Magbabayad ako syempre. What is this? Ayan, thank you. HLJ Deep Hybrid Vlog, magam shout out. Ayan, Yolanda, greetings from South Africa. Ayan po, Yolanda, magam shout out. Ayan, do you have Do you have a videos? Do you want a moderator? Ayan, thank you. Ayan, Yolanda, mega mag-shout out. Ayan, babes from USA, mega mag-shout out. Parang ang tagal ata. I'm all out of love and solace without you. I am. Mga kapitbahay, I'm in the drive-thru line. Burger King. Ayan. Burger King. I'm just gonna get the drinks. But it's gonna be a while. I don't know. It takes forever. Ayan, we'll see. Ayan, Kuala, thank you so much. Ayan na. Ayan, Christopher Gillim, may shout out. HLJ, may shout out ha. Love kapitbahay USA. Hello. Hey, how are you? Good. It's just like, oh my God, it's so hot.
It is, and then it's gonna be cold like this weekend. The hottest week is gonna be like 60 something.
Yeah, I know. And I said, oh my God, I need some drinks. Then I like these drinks. It's
The
really
iced
good.
coffee, you
Yep.
like it?
This is the biggest one, right?
Yes, ma'am.
How's your day going?
Great.
Good.
It'll be better in 8 minutes.
Oh, you're leaving. You're gonna say bye-bye. I'm out of here. Just like me. I just out from work. I work at Warrior Zone over there at the back.
Okay.
Yeah. So just visit us once in a while.
Alright.
Yeah. See you there. Bye.
Have a good day.
Food court, Psycho. May shout out. Love na kapitbahay USA.